Hey guys, welcome to another render demo, how to draw a video tutorial. Today I'll be taking you through the steps to draw a chicken. Everybody's favorite little critter. Here we go. So let's start off by drawing an egg shape in the center of our page. So we will draw a shape like this. Alright, and it kind of tapers down a little bit. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. So it's kind of like an oblong egg shape. So next step, we'll draw the head. And what we're going to do is we're going to have the head pointing to the left. And we'll start from the top of the back right here. And we'll come upward like this. Okay, and then we'll draw a bump for the top of his head. Like that. And you can see we're already beyond this edge of the body here, already on that side, okay? So the beak is gonna point and curve up like this. And then we're gonna come in, and we'll do a smaller one that kind of points up a little bit. And then we're gonna come down, and we're gonna meet with the chest right about here. So we're gonna come in, and soft curve like that. All right. And then let's draw the tail feathers back here. So from the back, we're going to start right around here. And we're going to go over to the right side. We're going to come up a little bit, like this. And then we're going to come back down and meet right about here. Okay, so we'll come down, and there'll be a little bit of a curve to it, and like that. Okay, and now let's draw the wing. So what we'll do here is we'll start on the left side of the center, somewhere about here. And we're going to draw kind of like a U shape. We're going to come down. This, it's almost like kind of like a point. That kind of bends there. And then we're going to extend off of the edge of the body here. All right, so we're going to come over, and then we're going to hook back like that. All right, great. Let's go to the next step. Go back to the head, and we're going to add a curve shape down here, and we kind of like that crown shape. So we're going to go up, back down. We'll probably do about 4, 2, 3, and 4, and we'll stop like that. And then we'll draw a U shape right about here where the chin is, like this. And then we'll start doing the legs. So let's draw the front leg that's closest to us, and then we'll draw the back. So we'll start roughly where the bend of the wing is, right about here. So come down, all right, that's where we're gonna be around here. So I'm gonna start above the lower part of the belly, and I'm gonna go over to the right, like this, and then I'm going to hook down and towards the left a little bit. And then right around here, we're going to come down, hook a little bit, and then we'll come down like that. So we'll be pretty close and narrow here, and we're wider as we get to the top. And then for the other side, what we'll do is we're going to draw kind of like this portion here up over in this area. So right about here, where the other leg is, behind this leg, we're going to curve like that. So all in this direction here, pointing this way, okay, like that. So we will start about here. We're going to go to the right, and then we're going to hook back to the left, like that. Okay, so our legs will have an angle somewhat like that, the ends, okay? So next step, we'll draw the claw, the foot of the leg that's in front. So we're going to go over to the right, and we're going to hook down, and we're going to come back up, go all along like this, and we'll do the back claw like that. And then we'll hook it over and come up, and then we'll do so the back has 1 and the front has 2. So we'll draw the second one like this and like that. Okay. And then let's go ahead and draw the back leg. So we'll do the same thing. We will start with a shape like this. Come down, go over, and down like that. And then we'll draw the other one like that. Okay, now let's add some detail. So for the head, I'm going to try to show where the neckline is here. So we're going to draw some feather shapes. So we're going to do these like V shapes, these curved V shapes, and they're pointing kind of to the front, right? They're pointing to the front of the body this way. And just kind of follow along. So we want to be, you know, curving this way towards the back. And then the last couple ones will probably have it curved in the other direction. Before I forget, I'm gonna go and draw a little eyeball like that, and then a backwards C over there. And then I'm gonna add some shapes for the tail feathers. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna kind of round this and kind of extend these lines like this. So come in this way, and these can kind of vary. You don't have to have these lines all exactly the same, you know. If you want, you know, because feathers are not 100% perfect. So we'll do that and just keep going like this. And there we go. Okay, and then for the wing, we're going to do something similar to these feathers over here. These feather shapes, we're going to do the same here, but what I'm going to do is we're going to go in this direction, and we're going to kind of go up. So we're going to have them go like this, and then they're kind of going to creep upward like that. All right, so here we go. So we'll draw one like this, and then that. See how I'm taking these shapes and I'm kind of pointing them like this. Now let's draw one more like that. All right. So there you go. There is how to draw a chicken in a few simple steps. Now I'm going to go and use my Sharpie marker, and I'm going to trace this first. I'm going to go and erase some of those lines that we don't want. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and color and do the beak area in this yellow. So there you go. This is how to draw a chicken in a few simple steps along with a short rendering. We hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel and check out some more of our tutorials. See you next time.